my window down so we can hear that?
Okay, I just did. Okay. Okay. Let's do that. I think that...
You can count on that, and then if it continues to increase or decrease, whatever, we're going to be listening here. But right now, I don't have anything on the ground. We see the rotation, and it increases, and then it weakens, and it increases. So we're going up and down with this thing, but we're going to keep tracking it as